Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a background transparent here on Vistaprint. All right, so first up, make sure to select a design, for example, a business card, postcard, or signs even, if it supports a transparent background, okay? Let's say, for example, you select a paper stock, all right, or a material that is glass. That's your option. Maybe stickers right here, okay? Just click on it. Maybe you would like to do sticker singles like so. And here in these options, you should be able to select a material, okay? And these materials, for example, as you can see, we have clear plastic, like these ones right here. This is clear plastic. This is transparent. Now, if this is not what you wanted, for example, you just wanted to add some pictures on your project, okay? For example, you're working on a project like business card, okay? Maybe this business card right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on edit, right? For example, you have this background. This is your background image, which is dark blue or dark. And you wanted to add in photos right here that do have a background, okay? For example, your picture. Okay, for example, I'm going to go ahead and select a picture right here. Maybe this guy. I'm just going to click on it and hit on open. Right here, as you can see, do have a background. So to remove it, just go ahead and go to remove.bg, hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on upload image, select that image, open, just wait for it. There you go, it doesn't have a background. Now just click on download right here and just use the free one. Save it wherever you want. Now go ahead over to your studio right here. Click upload. It was saved on my desktop right here. Click on open and there you have it. That's how you make your background transparent here on Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.